YouTube, it's your boy Mr. Wavy, and today I'm back with another video. But before I get too far gone into this video, I'm gonna need for y'all to hit that subscribe button, turn on that post notification bell, follow me on Instagram at Mr._Wavy843. Now let's get into the video. YouTube, it's your boy Mr. Wavy, and I'm back with another video. But before I get too far gone into this video, I would like to give a couple of shout outs to Terrence Baker and Trinityhouesofsuds for sending me this package right here. You know, shout out to them. I will have all of their links down in the description below. So with that being said, let's open up this bad boy. So when y'all first get the box, the first thing y'all will notice is this business card right here that says thank you for shopping with us. And then on the back it shows all of their information and their YouTube. So y'all go subscribe to their YouTube channel right there, and also go check out their website also. So now let's get to the products. As you can see, it packages up very nicely. And I already done cracked open the soap. You know a waver can't wait to crack open that soap. So first off, we have the Trinityhouesofsuds, the Bentonite clay bar. It don't come like this. It comes in the whole package. I just opened it already because I couldn't wait. The next thing is we have Trinityhouesofsuds hair sealing butter. The next is the penetrating oil of Trinityhouesofsuds. The next thing is the pre-poo oil. Y'all see it, Trinityhouesofsuds pre-poo. And then the last thing is the Trinityhouesofsuds moisturizer. So big shout out to Trinityhouesofsuds for sending me these products. So like I said, y'all go check them out. And once again, y'all go follow their YouTube and all their other social medias. I will have linked down below. So yeah, that was a quick unboxing. Like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy Mr. Wavy. Peace.